Owen here, and welcome to a short YouTube video on registering for a free domain name and hosting space at 000webhost.com. You could see that there. Now when you register there, the next thing you're going to do is make sure you are on the free hosting service, and you just click there to set up the one. And as soon as you do that, then the next one you're presented with this screen. Now it's fairly obvious there that you want to have a new domain name. That's going to be the extension, and just try one there. Then you put in your name, which is not important. Your email address is important. You must have that valid, and also put in a password and validate your password. And that's just to stop scammers, if you like, going in there, to make sure you're a human, and then you agree with it, and then click that, and shortly you will then get an email. So that's all there is to that. This is the email you'll receive then, fairly very obvious. Just to confirm your registration, you click on that, and as soon as you do that, then you will be ready to receive another email. Your login name as the email address you used, and you'll be given a password and just a location to members.000 web host that you should click on to access your domain. This is again fairly obvious. When you access the members area, you will have to log on with your email address, your password that you're given, and then some code there to prove that you're human, and you will then submit that. You will then be presented with this screen showing your domain name and that is active, and what you should do is click on Go to CP Panel. This is the next window that you'll be presented with, and it's worthwhile noting or recording your account information, like your username, and this won't be your email address, and your password, etc. won't be shown there. It's important that you take note of those. We will next go to the files area, where you'll see the FTP details plus file transfers. Now you should click on the FTP details and maybe get a screenshot of that recording a Word document. Also, we will then click on File Manager, and that will appear now in the next window. So you click on File Manager. This is the window you'll be shown, and you should have a good look around here. See that that's the root directory, and where you want to put the files is in public_HTML, and it shouldn't have a capital P as I have there, so we'll change that. And remember, that is where you're going to load the files to. You can click just the selection there to do that. Also note the other little choices there, like upload. This is an important window, so it makes sense to look around it and make sure you are in the right directory there, and you can see a list of your files. Now, whereas you can use the upload to upload your files, and initially I think it's a good idea to upload whatever your file name, index.html, because that will at least activate your website. You'll have something to show. But later on you'll see that we are going to use Wing FTP or FTP Rush. It's a free piece of software to upload files, and so that'll be our next video. So again, is make sure you have registered for your free domain name and your free hosting.